What's up, my mobile detailing, carpet cleaning, I don't know what this is video. Hey, let them know what we doing. What's that? What you got there?
Carpet cleaning.
Chemicals, right? All right, what we got right there? That's some Flex. That's Flex with citrus solvent powder right there. So anybody that's wanting to know what we're using when we go out to clean these carpets. So my dad hit me up, he said, son, we got a carpet cleaning job since you want to jump into the carpet cleaning business. So he specializes in the janitorial area. All right, so I'll catch you guys at the building. This right here is just another journey. It's all connected when it comes to detailing. So when you go to a place and you're cleaning their car and you can present this to them, hey, we also clean houses. You know what I mean? It's another stream of income on top of cleaning a car. So it all goes hand in hand. If you can clean a carpet, you can clean house carpet. So we headed to the location, like I said, an office building. Anybody that's interested in the carpet cleaning business that want to branch out from doing cars, mobile detailing, the equipment I use is going to be below in the description. So check it out. The most expensive thing that I got was, what is it called? Sheesh, I just know it costs $3,000, like $3,500 and some change. So it'll be in the description down below. I don't really remember the name right now. So the reason why I jumped into this business is I'm gonna push more towards cleaning carpets. You know what I mean? And I'll get another van to have employees run those and take care of all the carpet cleaning businesses. So I'm setting myself up for more streams of revenue, pretty much. So I had a client come up to me and say, hey, can you clean my house? And I said, yeah, just let me go buy the equipment and I'll get back to you. She didn't expect me to go and buy it a week later. So I hit her up like, hey, let's get this done, let's go. And she was just like, okay, come and clean my husband's car and my car, and then we'll take care of the house next. And I was like, okay, I'm ready. So now I'm out here about to get used to this machine, get familiar with it, and you know,
turn left onto Madison Avenue.
Come on. You're gonna have to let them know what we got going on here.
Why you guys doing out there? We about to do a Caltrans building, about to do the carpet. Just about to get it done. We do it maybe every 6 months.
6 months? How long do you think it's gonna take us?
A couple hours.
A couple hours?
Yeah, a couple hours. Take us a couple hours to get it done.
So yeah, he heard I was getting into the carpet cleaning business, so he thought he'd go ahead and hook his son up. So
throw him a bone.
Come on. So we just coming through and we're gonna show y'all what we doing, man.
Wow.
So pretty much I was talking to the people, letting them know, like, growing up, how you used to give us buildings and we used to be running all around the buildings and stuff.
Oh, about their age, a little bit older than her.
So when I wanted to make money, he would be like, you gotta come to work to make money. So that's where I get the whole concept of when they be like, we want something, what you guys gotta do? You gotta come to work, right? Exactly, so you don't always get what you want. So I got that from Pops. So the whole business aspect, me getting out here and starting my own business, it comes from the man himself, Mr. Hunter.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir. So basically you're working on these spots. This right here is permanent. You don't have to really worry about this. So all these spots like this, just work on all these and just go around. You don't have to worry about the chairs against the wall, stuff like this.
So we don't have to move the chairs?
You don't have to move the chairs.
Okay.
So I move them to where they're going. All this stuff like that you want to get. So you want to get anything like that.
Oh, this gonna be easy.
Yeah. I'm going to do all the hallway while you're doing that.
Yeah.
Let me show you everything. I just run over from here. I start from here with the bonnet, and I'll hit all this. Look, I hit in between here. We're just hitting the worst spots. You hit in between there. See it? Come back here.
So this right here is flex size. This neutralizes all the chemicals that you put on the floor as you're extracting. Grab this flex powder. Check it out. This is the chemicals to pull up all the dirt and grime. So I'm going to hook it up with 2 scoops. One, 2. This is 3 gallons. I would normally put 3 scoops, but it will still have to full. So now I'm going to fill this one up first. All right, you ready to pre-treat? Oh, you getting this picture? Find a plug somewhere. There we go. Now we smooth with it.
Yes, sir.
What do you normally do to get it up? You use your carpet thing to
Yeah,
pick it up?
see,
Oh,
my
okay.
bonneter. And I don't pick it up. My bonneter picks it up.
Ah,
When
so
you use
it's-
a bonnet, your bonnet pad, it sucks it up too there. I don't extract like you. Yours is 10 times better. See, my dry time is 3 hours. Yours will be 30 minutes. And this is what I did last time. So guess what I use? I use spray bottles. Took me all day just to pre-treat the carpet.
What I seen in the videos is they wouldn't miss no spots. They would go like this.
Yeah, they hit the whole thing.
Yeah, you like to do spots.
Why I do spots and now you see all that? I go over it no matter what.
There's no point.
There's no point of getting it.
I get
So
what you're
I'm getting
saying.
the main areas that's gonna get it, and I'll hit it anyway. But this is already clean. So
Gotcha.
why am I pre-treating that?
you wasting- no, I get
You're
what you're
wasting
saying.
material.
As you guys can see, what is this? I believe this is called the CB. It's called like the CB something, you guys. I know you guys will correct me. But anyways, as you guys can see, it agitated this side. It's pretty much clean already. And you can see the dirty side. So that's exciting, man. These corners I gotta get though.
Yeah.
You don't want to do it on dry carpet.
Oh my God.
But yeah,
I'm not even gonna do nothing, dude.
yeah, that's it.
I'm done. Oh my God. I'm not doing that. There ain't no sense in me here doing that. Wow. Oh, I gotta do
Yeah, this thing is a beast, Jamie.
Yeah, it's
For
cool.
sure. For $3,500, it better be.
Let's rewind that. How much again?
3,500 plus tax, probably like 3,600. Yeah, and I just told on myself.
Yeah.
I remember you never know. I just
Dun,
told
dun,
on
dun,
myself.
dun.
Yeah. Oh God, get these spot checked. Let me see what we got in the arsenal. We got Pro Spotter, all purpose. So I would start
Sounds
with that
like that.
one. You got it running? Paint, oil, and grease remover.
There might be something like that, huh?
Yeah, we got citrus gel, effective citrus spotter for oily spots. Yeah. Then we got ink. Don't it kind of look like
It
ink?
kind of look like ink.
Then we got stain, exit. So yeah, that looks way better.
Wait, man, that looks brand new. It's only.
Come on. Hey, that machine is worth it for sure. It does all the work. I didn't have to do nothing. It did it. Just add the right chemicals in the right machine, and it comes up.
I would try that one first, the grease one.
That's
first.
the grease.
No, I'm saying I gotta pour it.
Oh.
Oh, it's not pre-mixed.
It's already mixed.
Already ready to go.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would try that one first. Yeah, because your thing is 10 times better than what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna see how good it comes out when I do it.
That machine a beast. It's gonna do the same thing. Probably should just try these spots in this area first. I'm not even gonna spray it on all of them. As you guys can see, it's getting it right up. I was told to pit pat. That's what I was told. But we gonna scrape that right up. Hey, it's working, y'all. Paint, oil, grease, and grease remover. That's it. It's like not coming up, but it's like staying.
Listen, I'm gonna tie.
Pro spotter.
Yeah, let them see that stain.
So we did extra. So like my dad said, we were only supposed to do spot checks. So I went ahead and got the brushing and spraying all the chemicals down, and he's like, all right, now you got me working a whole lot harder. So this was supposed to just be a spot check.
And did the whole building. So Caltrans just got a free job.
Jeez, training for me. All right, so now we got the other side though. All right, you guys, that's a wrap. Carpet is done. That carpet is actually already destroyed. They actually need new carpet, so we just restored what was already, you know,
Made
broken.
it look new.
Come
Ask
on.
your mom, that carpet looks brand new. Man.
All right, first carpet job knocked out. It was exciting. Took us about, that was about what, an hour and 40? Hour and 35, 40 minutes. That was, hey, that was easy. That was easy, man. Y'all stay tuned for what's next. Just wanted to hop on here, show you guys what Hunter's Detailing / carpet cleaning. I don't even know what I'm gonna name it, but we got it. And if you're looking to get into this also, I'm gonna take you guys along with me on the journey as I do as usual. If you got any questions and any other advice, any other stuff I could give you guys know. Stay tuned for the next video. If you guys like this content, comment down below. Like, share, subscribe. We're about to go spend some time with the family. We're about to go spend some time with God, getting this word. But let's get going, y'all. Y'all see we making moves, man. We only live one life, as I said before, as usual. We only live one life, so live it. Make the moves. Don't be scared. I come against fear. You know what I mean? I come against unbelief. Build your faith and trust in the Lord. And He'll guide your path in your steps, man. But I'll catch you guys on the next video. We out.